Hello, welcome to STEM School. Please first click subscribe to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Today we are going to review Singapore Primary Mathematics U.S. edition grade 1. In this lesson, we are going to cover the topics numbers 0 to 10, number bonds, addition, subtraction, ordinal numbers, numbers to 20, shapes, lengths, and weight. Let's start with our first topic here, which is numbers 0 to 10. Okay, let's start counting. So we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5 here. Okay, and let's continue. We have 6, we have 7, we have 8, we have 9, and we have 10. Okay, so here's the numbers 0 to 10 that you can count everything around your room, in your house, and you can start counting anything by practicing it. Okay, so now let's talk our second topic here. So number bonds. Okay, we are going to making number stories by using the numbers. For example, there are 5 penguins, 2 are swimming, 3 are not swimming. Okay, so in this case, from the story, we have 5 there, okay, as a whole number. And we have 3 here as a part. And we have 2 here as a part. Okay, so of course we can make up other stories by using the same numbers, but just different stories. Okay, or we can use more practices here. So we can use 6 here. All right, so we have 6 children. We got 2 are playing and 4 are sitting. Okay, so look around and try to make the number stories by yourself and do more practice. All right, now let's move to our next topic, which we are going to talk about addition. Okay, for addition, let's start with making the addition stories. What's that? So here's the example. 4 butterflies are flying. 3 butterflies are resting on the flowers. There are 7 butterflies altogether. So from the story, we have 4 there. 4 butterflies are flying. We have 3 here. 3 butterflies are resting on the flower. And here's the 4 plus 3. So 4 butterflies adding 3 butterflies equals to 7. So 7 butterflies altogether. Okay, so this is what we call addition. All right, so it means putting together. So putting these two numbers together. So putting 4 and 3 together by use the plus sign here, and it equals to 7. So we could add 4 and 3. The answer is 7. Okay, so we can do more practice about this. So there are, let's say there are 6 red flowers. We have 6 there. There are 4 yellow flowers. Okay, there are 4 there, and 6 plus 4. There are 10 flowers altogether, equals 10. Okay, let's try another one. 3 children are playing. 2 more are coming. There are 5 children altogether, so 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So this is addition, and try your own story and make the addition by yourself. You can make up as many addition stories as you can, and write it down for each of your stories. Okay. So in addition, when we talk about additions, we've just learned number bonds, right? So we can present addition with number bonds, all right? So we have 8 here. We have what? Could be 2, 6. Okay, 2 plus 6 equals to 8. And then, for example, we have 7 here, and we got the number bonds 3, 4. Okay, 3 plus 4 equals to 7. That's addition with number bonds. And now we can take a look at other methods of addition. For example, we'll have 4 here, and if we say 1 more, that means 4 plus 1, right? It equals to, think about it, 5. Okay, so if we say instead of 1 more there, we say 2 more. Okay, again we have 4 there, so 2 more. So that's 4 plus 2 equals to 6, right? And we can have 3 more, 4 more, and think about it, how you can calculate that. Okay, so now we've talked about addition. Let's move to our next topic, which is subtraction. Okay, so now we are going to make subtraction stories. All right, there are 8 birds. 3 birds fly away. 5 birds are left. What we can do with that? 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So this is subtraction. It means taking away. So we are taking away 3 from 8 here, and 5 left. Okay, so otherwise we can say subtract 3 from 8. The answer is 5. Okay, let's take a look at more examples. There are 7 children. Okay, 2 of them are girls. There are 5 boys. Okay, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Let's try another one. There are 9 carrots together. The rabbits are eating 3 carrots. 6 carrots left. So 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Okay, now try look around and make up a story for each number. Okay, by yourself, and make your own subtraction stories. All right, so now we can take a look add another topic there. Okay, so our next topic is ordinal number. Topic 5. Ordinal numbers. Okay, so what's ordinal numbers? Let's first start counting. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, okay? So these are ordinal numbers. Now let's take a look at the example here. So we have apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 apples here. So we have left here, we have right here. Okay, so let's say this apple is second from left. Okay, second from the left. And this apple is third from the left. Why? First, second, third, right? And this apple is first, second, third, fourth, fifth from the left. Okay, but if let's take a look at the position from the right. Okay, this apple is the second from the right. Why is that? Because if we start counting from right, we got first, second. Okay, and this apple becomes first, second, third, fourth from the right. Okay, now take a look at, for example, at the eggs and try to counting the ordinal numbers by yourself. Okay, do more practice about this. And now we are going to move to our next topic, which is numbers to 20. Okay, so now let's continue counting the numbers. Okay, so we have 11, we have 12, we have 13, we have 14, we have 15, we have 16, we have 17, we have 18, we have 19, and we have 20. Okay, so now you can try count things around in your house, in your room, and try to count it from 1 to 20. Okay, do more practice. And now, what we are going to do next is we are going to make some practice with additions. Okay, so we are going to try to make some examples of additions to 20. All right, so we have 9 plus 4 equals, think about it. Think about what we've learned. 9 plus 4. Let's count 4 numbers after 9. So 9, we got what? 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? So that's 13. Okay? So another example. We have 10 plus 2 equals 2. We have 10 there. What's after 10? Which is 11. Again, 12. So 1, 2. So it equals to 12. Okay, so that's the addition. And how about subtraction? We have 17 here. Subtract 2 equals, let's count backwards. So let's take a look. We have 17 here. We got 1, 2, that's 15, right? So let's try again. 19 minus 4 equals, so we have 19 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 15 again. Okay, so that's subtraction. So try to do more practice by yourself, and we are going to review that in our later lessons. Okay, so now let's move to our next topic, which is shapes. Okay, so for shapes, we need to know what's this. This is a circle. And what's this? This is a triangle. And this one, we call it rectangle. And last, we have this here, which 4 sides are equal. This is a special rectangle, which we call it square. Okay, so now take a look at those shapes and find similar shapes in your room. All right, now let's move to our next topic. We are going to talk about lengths. We are going to compare lengths. Okay, comparing lengths. For example, we have a pencil here. We have a rubber. And we're going to have a rope. Okay, so this is a nice rope. Okay, so let's take a look at these 3 objects. So which one is the longest? The rope looks like the rope is the longest, right? And which one is the shortest? The rubber here is the shortest, right? Shortest. So pencil is longer than the rubber. Okay, but the pencil here is what? Shorter than the rope. Okay, so now we can also compare about persons. We have Tom here. We have here Jake. And we have here Jen. Okay, who is the tallest? We can see Jen is the tallest. Okay, and who is the shortest? Tom is the shortest. So Jake is taller than Tom. But Jake is what? Compared with Jen, shorter than Jen. Okay, so that's about length. Try to take a look around in your room, again, in the house, and try to compare the lengths by yourselves by practicing that. Okay, so our next topic, weight. So about weight, we are going to have a balloon here, and we are going to have a book, and here we are going to have a huge television. Okay, so let's compare the weight. Book is what? Compared with balloon, the book is heavier than the balloon. But compared with the television, the book is lighter than the television. Okay, so which is the lightest? The balloon is the lightest. And which is the heaviest? The TV is the heaviest. Okay. So that's everything for today's lesson.